How to audit a smart contract for free even you're a complete beginner. Step 1. The tools of the trade. There are some fantastic free tools out there that can help you uncover potential problems in a smart contract. First, CyberScan. You paste the smart contract address and it gives you a summary report highlighting things like ownership, potential proxies, and whether there's an audit or KYC attached. Second, SafeScan. This tool focuses on anti-money laundering and KYC checks. It analyzes the wallet address looking for suspicious activity or connections to known blacklisted wallets. Third, Scam Sniper. This tool is like a quick security check. It looks for known honeypot traps, checks liquidity, and tells you if there are any available audits for the token. Fourth, CoinTool Audit Contract. This tool runs automated checks on the smart contract and flags potential security risks. Honeypot.is. This tool specifically checks if a smart contract is a honeypot, a type of trap designed to steal funds. Next, Token Sniffer. This tool provides an automated audit report with a score, indicating how well the contract meets safety criteria. It also scans for known scams and calculates helpful token metric. Lastly, BSC Check. This tool gives you information about the holders of a given token, helping you understand the project's decentralization. Step 2. The investigation begins. Think critically about what you're seeing and ask yourself, does the contract ownership seem legitimate? Is it renounced or controlled by a single entity? Are there any known vulnerabilities or security risks flagged by the tools? Are there any potential honeypots, reentrancy attacks, or other common issues? Does the wallet history seem suspicious? Are there any large or unusual transactions? Is the project truly decentralized? Do the token holders seem concentrated? Step 3. The verdict. Based on your investigation, you can make an informed decision about the smart contract security. Remember, these free tools are a great starting point, but they do not replace a professional audit. If you are investing significant funds, it's always a good idea to get a thorough audit from a reputable firm.